Picture this. A quiet road, golden sunset, and rolling toward you is something that looks straight out of a classic postcard. A stunning vintage tricycle RV, polished with history, charm, and a soul you just don't see anymore. This isn't just a vehicle, this is a moving time machine on 3 wheels. The first thing that grabs you is the design. Rounded curves, old-school metal panels, soft pastel or earthy tones, and that unmistakable vintage vibe that instantly slows your heartbeat. It feels like a simpler era, when travel wasn't rushed and every journey mattered more than the destination. This tricycle RV doesn't scream for attention. It gently pulls you in with nostalgia. As it rolls closer, you realize how cleverly it's built. 3 wheels, compact size, but full of personality. The front looks like a classic motorcycle from decades ago, with a retro headlamp and handlebars that feel handcrafted. But behind it, the magic begins. The RV cabin sits perfectly balanced, small, yet incredibly cozy, like a tiny home that decided to explore the world. Step inside, and the outside noise disappears. The interior feels warm, almost like a vintage cafe on wheels. Wooden textures, soft lighting, classic fabrics, and carefully chosen details that make every inch feel intentional. There's a small bed that invites afternoon naps, a foldable table perfect for morning coffee, and storage tucked away so cleverly you wonder how they managed it all in such a small space. What makes this vintage tricycle RV truly special is the feeling it gives you. It's not about speed, it's not about luxury screens or futuristic tech. It's about the experience. Imagine parking near a quiet lake, opening the small window and hearing birds instead of traffic. Imagine cooking a simple meal while the smell of nature drifts inside. This RV turns ordinary moments into memories. Every scratch on the exterior tells a story. Every design choice feels personal. This isn't mass-produced travel. This is handcrafted freedom. You can almost imagine its past owners, traveling slowly, waving at strangers, stopping wherever the view felt right. And now, it's ready for a new chapter. On the road, people can't help but stare. Some smile, some point, some take photos. Because this tricycle RV reminds them of something they've forgotten. That travel can be romantic again. That life doesn't always need to be fast or complicated. Sometimes, 3 wheels and a dream are more than enough. And the best part? It's surprisingly practical, easy to maneuver, fuel-efficient, and perfect for solo travelers or couples who value experiences over excess. It can slip into narrow roads, park where big RVs can't, and turn any quiet spot into home. By the time the journey ends, you realize something important. This vintage tricycle RV isn't just a way to travel, it's a lifestyle choice. A statement that says you choose character over trends, memories over materials, and freedom over routine. So if you've ever dreamed of escaping the noise, slowing down time, and traveling with style and soul, this stunning vintage tricycle RV might just be the most beautiful way to do it. And once you see it rolling away into the sunset, trust me, you won't forget it anytime soon.